Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone YUVA 4 with glossy back design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with VGA camera, and with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76 by 8.4 mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. The color options: glossy white, glossy purple, glossy black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm, headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava YUVA 4 has been introductory priced in India for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage. Variant at 6,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava YUVA 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.